Welcome, welcome, welcome to some more magic tricks I'm going to teach you. Here we go right now. Let me show you a magic trick with a piece of newspaper and these magic scissors that were given to me from a wizard a long, long time ago. All you do is fold the paper up just like this, and I can actually cut the paper just, look at this, like that. Right? Perfect. Now, give it a little blow, and ta-da. It goes back just like that. Let me show you one more time. That way you're not thinking I am using magic smoke or mirrors or something like that. Okay, so I take the newspaper, I fold it up, all right? I'm gonna cut it. Look at that, really cutting it. You see, it's there. Just like that. Wow, looky there. You wanna learn how this is done? Stick around, I'm gonna show you right now. So don't go anywhere. Oh, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. All right, now here comes the magic actually preparing your trick. What you're gonna need is rubber cement. You can buy this at any hardware store. You can get it at Walmart if you have that in your area. Target has it. Any place that has school supplies, they will have this. Very important, a magician's friend. You'll also need some scissors. Be careful with these. You can cut your finger off. Okay, all right, okay. All right, oh, you need some baby powder, of course. Yeah, oh, look at that, it was nice, yeah. The smoke effect. And you also need some newspaper, all right? Now this newspaper, what you wanna have a lot of words on it like this. This would not work. Words on this side and words in this half. You will see here in a second when we do this. So, like I said, you need words all the way down on the paper like this. Let me see if there's any other ones that have something like here. Yeah, see that won't work. Words and then a picture would not work. So, nowadays these newspapers are hard to come by. Or you could do this. Yeah, this has a lot of words coming all the way down it like this. Yeah, and that's about it. Perfect. Great, okay. So out of a whole newspaper, you get one sheet that you can use. Perfect. All right, so let's come down to the table and we will go from there. Okay, so what you wanna do is turn your newspaper like this, and then I will go ahead and fold it just like this, okay? Now, you wanna make sure you do this on a clean surface. That way nobody gets mad if you get some of this glue everywhere. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're actually gonna paint this whole area with the rubber cement. You are gonna paint the whole thing like this. Reason being is this will probably make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will make 6 different pieces of paper that you can use, okay? Now this rubber cement, it's not like super glue. So if it does get on you, it comes right off. All right. Oh, look, there's some real estate out there in Alexandria. Nice. Okay. You want to make sure it's going the whole way down the paper like this. And we let it dry. All the way down. You just let it dry. It'll dry for about, it'll dry in about 5 minutes. All right, it's almost dry. You can still see a little bit of a thick spot right here and up here a little bit. So what you can do is just take your finger and rub a little bit like this, okay? And like I said, this will come off your finger really easy, all right? So let that dry a little bit more. Perfect, okay, good. Now, the next thing you're gonna do, this is the part that's gonna get messy. You're gonna take a little bit of baby powder, well, not a little bit, but a lot, and you are going to spread it all over this newspaper just like this. Okay? And then you wipe it all down like this. All right? Now, the reason for the baby powder is when we cut the newspaper in half, this half will not stick to the other half because it's rubber cement. The rubber cement sticks together. So if you put rubber cement on my hand here, rubber cement on my hand here, then it will stick together when you put them together after they're dry. But this baby powder keeps them from connecting, all right? But when you cut it, the actual strip, there's no baby powder right there exactly where you cut it. And that is what is going to make it, I don't know what would be the word for this, but make it to stick, adhere. Okay, look at that. All right. So then you're gonna cut about right down here on these lines like this. So like I said, we're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips right here. We're gonna cut right now. Here we go. Okay, so now you have all of your strips. You want to get all the baby powder off that you can. I mean, it's still on there, but you just don't want to walk in and your performance and all of a sudden there's a bunch of powder everywhere. They'll be like, where'd that come from? Smoke and mirrors. Yeah. Now, what you're going to do, this is the rubber cement side with all of the words. Remember, we can't use this side because of the pictures and stuff. So just remember that in your head. Then you fold it up like this and give it a little, make a little crease down there. Now you want to start at the bottom here towards the middle. Don't start up here because then you have a lot of paper that you've wasted. So you can do this a few times. So it's pretty cool. And what you want to do, you want to make sure when you're cutting the paper, you want to make sure you cut straight across, not diagonally or anything like that. It will not look as good. So I'm just going to cut just a little strip off right there, just enough to show you when it drops, or you can see it dropped, okay? And then I just grab one piece of the newspaper and let it go. And there you go. It sticks just like that. Now you can do it again. Now you don't want to get up too close. Let me show you what it looks like too close. You get up close like that. You see how it looks just all crooked and stuff? So you want to stand back. See, like this now, you probably can't tell unless you have really good eyes. All right, so we're going to fold it up again like this. And then you cut, don't go all the way up there. Just cut a little piece off, okay? Just cut a little piece off. That way they can actually see it drop, maybe, okay? And then you just grab one piece of newspaper, like this. Then I'm gonna let the other piece of paper just drop, like that, all right? Now, of course, don't pull on it or it will come apart. So there you go. Let me show you one more time. Remember, this is all of the baby powder with all the rubber cement on the inside. You wanna fold that together, all right? And then you cut right there, straight as possible. And then you open it up just like that. Wow. And there you go, a really cool trick you can do with a newspaper. Just remember the secret ingredients: rubber cement and baby powder, all right? Hopefully you have that around your house. If not, get it next time at the dollar store. Very easy stuff to make, and you'll have a lot of fun with this. And this is a pretty good little magician secret, so keep this around, all right? And I really hope you're liking all of these videos that I'm doing, just really simple magic tricks that you can do right there at your house. And hopefully you have everything in one of your junk drawers, because I have 3 junk drawers. I got a lot of stuff. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe right now. Once I get there, I am giving away a pair of AirPods. Yes, you heard that right, a pair of AirPods. All you have to do is go to each video, watch a little bit of the video, and comment on each video. That is the person I am going to be picking when I reach 10,000. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you're enjoying this, and I will see you soon.